now 3, 1. Good. 好吃 next 奖章 next 喜欢 next 5000 good. Okay, now the third group. 1, 1. Yes, 1, 1 need to keep the same, right? So because so it's 香烟 yeah. Next one. Next. Next. Yes. Now 4, 1. 太高 yes. 太高 next. 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 Good. Okay. So now 3, 4. Good. Good. Yes. Okay. 1, 4. Yeah. So the first 4 is right? Okay. So then. Yes. So 真正 next. Good. Good. Very good. Yes. I can see now your pronunciation improved a lot. Yes. 很好. So each time we practice a little bit, so you yourself also you will feel that you improved, right? So now have page 6. Because last time you asked me if we have second. So please everyone, one page. Yes, this is page 6. Also mix. We try, huh? Yes. Everyone, one, please. Okay, now page 6. Enough? Okay. So now page 6. Okay, let's see. Continue. 2, second tone. How to say? Remember second. So from very low start, right? 是 Okay, so then how to say? Good. Next. Good. Next. Yes. Yes. So if you follow the rule, then it's fine. Also easy. So 德国赔偿仍然银行 Okay, next. 4, 3. Yeah. 最早 Next. 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 Good. Okay, now second and third. Right. 来往 Next. Next. Right. So 来往南写得奖凉水 Okay. Now continue. So here. Okay. The first group. Okay. Let's see. So now no rules. So it's a mix. Try, challenge. Okay. So the first one, how to say? Good. Next. Good. Next. Okay. Okay, this one, wait a little bit. Okay, continue next. Again. Good. Next. Good. Next. Good. Okay, second group. Good. Next. Again. So, 传 second. 传统. Yes. Second tone. Always remember from very low level start. 传统. Okay, next. Good. Next. Next. Right. 虾仁. Okay. 很好. Now the third group. Yes. 窗户. Good. Next. Good. Next. 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 Again, someone mistake. Second tone again. Again. Yes, because I can hear if you made a mistake, the second tone mistake. Always 房, then it's fine. Yes. 产房. Yeah. Next one. Right. Okay, now next group. Next. Next. Again. Now, okay. Next. Next. Good. Next. Good. Next group. Next. 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 The last one again. Okay. So far, these two have problem. Let's see what's the problem. But I want to say, actually, you did very well. Very good. Yes, you improved a lot the pronunciation, including final, initial, and full tone. Now these two have problem. Let's see, huh? This one, how to read. This one, the tone are okay. The problem is here. Yes. Remember this one, the pronunciation? Yes, yes, thank you. Yes, it's ignore E. That's why it's 四. Yeah, that's why it's 思路, right?
Is that with the dots?
Yeah.
The with the dots, right? Is the
No,
no?
this is the normal. It's 路. I think you forgot the exception. Now let's review, okay?